Little Early English Education.
Whoa! Look at this stylish purple character! Hello, super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 60. Did you know Numberblock 60 is 6 groups of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60! Let's go! Let's start drawing. First, draw one tall rectangle for the main body. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. A tall purple body. Perfect. Now inside the rectangle, draw 5 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 columns. Now draw 10 horizontal lines going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 blocks. Now let's draw the face. Numberblock 60 has eyes with beautiful eyelashes. Draw the left eye. Round shape with lash details on top. Inside each eye, add the eye detail, the pupils. Such glamorous eyes. Now draw the happy smile. Now draw the hands on both sides. Now draw the watch on the right hand. Now draw the legs at the bottom. Left leg, right leg. 2 little legs. And finally, at the very top, write the number 60. Our drawing is complete. Hello, everyone. I am Numberblock 60. Look at my beautiful eyelash eyes. And I always check my watch. I am made of 60 blocks.
Coloring time! First, pick up the black color. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eye pupils black. And inside the mouth area, black too. Sharp and clear. Now, pick up red. Spell red. R-E-D. Red. Color the eye outlines red. And the eyelashes red too. Bold and glamorous. Now, pick up pink. Spell pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Color the smile outline pink. Such a sweet smile. Now, pick up indigo. Spell indigo. I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. Color the hands indigo. And the legs indigo too. Deep, rich indigo.
Every stroke and every shade makes the picture shine. Green and orange, pink and brown, mix them if you like.
Now, pick up sky blue. Spell sky blue. S-K-Y-B-L-U-E. Sky blue. Color the watch sky blue. A beautiful sky blue watch. And now, the final color. Pick up purple. Beautiful, rich purple. Spell purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Color the whole body purple. Every single one of those 60 blocks purple.
20, 30, 40 blocks, reaching to the sky, big or small, fast or slow, every number counts. Drawing helps our brains grow strong with every amount. Shade the edges, fill the middle, make it smooth and clean. Turn the page into a picture like you've never seen. Art and numbers
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Done! And done.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.